Hi Thomas, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I am reviewing your website, A Native American Soul. So I'm on the homepage. I absolutely love the logo. So I love this Indian person here in the logo. I love the image. I love that it's linked to your collections, which is great. It would be great also to add a call to action such as shop now or click here to view our collection. So this is also another way to prompt visitors to click your image and browse your collections. Your products are absolutely eye-catching, so I absolutely love them, and they are within your style, so you are sticking to one niche, and which is very, very appealing to your target audience. I absolutely love these. The prices are very, very attractive as well. So jewelry also within the same style. So obviously you specialize, which is amazing. Those ponchos are great, so you can actually show that all of these make a great outfit, which is fantastic. You've got footer information, footer navigation as well. Love the colors, so you're consistent with the colors. You open the Facebook in a new tab because I can see it on a hover. Now I can check the collection website. Okay, ponchos for some reason links to a a product page. So ideally you would want to link to collection page. If you sell different styles, it is probably much better to show them as different products. It's much better for your SEO instead of showing just images, because if you list them as separate products, that would create more content, obviously more written content with a new description. So definitely it is much better for your conversion. It is much better for your SEO. Color 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I think you are missing few numbers, but ideally you would want to include a description as to red, square, for example. Those two are different colors. So so that they should really stick us that. It is a little bit confusing because you've got colors, and you've got colors as numbers, and you skip 3 and 5, and then those colors don't really say anything to, because your images switch. I don't know if it's really showing the color, or is it the image that just switched. So you definitely conversion will be better if first of all, if you listed them as separate products, each color as a separate product, because you just add unnecessary confusion for your customers. Also, if I'm shopping for ponchos, I wouldn't necessarily say that crop top would be a related product that I would be likely to buy it. The likely related item would be boots, because, for example, if someone buying poncho, they're obviously in a colder climate or in a colder season, so they're less likely to buy crop top. So definitely rethink the upselling strategy. Okay, dresses. You link. I hope you link to the collection page. It's a little bit. Okay. It takes a bit to load the page, but I love the bigger images, which is great. So they all look okay. This is very nice. Okay, so we've got buy it now, creating urgency, which is fantastic. We've got rose red, sky blue. It's a shame you haven't got a white, because on the collection page you had this white, and as I clicked on the product page, you actually don't have it in stock, I think. Okay, so the related items here are much better. So you're showing other dresses, which is fantastic. Okay. So you can connect with customers on the Messenger, which is, I know it's working very well. People don't use it often. E-commerce shops don't use it often, but it creates more personalized approach to customer service, which is great. Okay, when it comes to the pages, so you've got a short introduction to your business. I mean, you just tell about the products. It would be much better to create a report with your visitors, but telling a little bit more about yourself, like personally about the person who you are, because people are more likely to buy from someone they feel connected to, they feel they sort of know. So building trust, building this kind of rapport definitely can help you improve the conversion rate. Add more content here, the more written content, i.e. 500 words plus is much better for SEO. SEO optimized as well with internal links, hashtags, and bullet key phrase. Obviously, run through the keyword density check to see if you're ranking for the right keywords. Okay, time estimate. Okay, so you are straightforward. How long is this delivery, which is fantastic. Okay, that's great. I mean, when you give an answer to the question that says, "Do you deliver products internationally?" It doesn't really, you don't answer it in a way that I know that you ship internationally. You just say that we've got happy customers in every corner of the globe. But it is a nice way. I mean, it is a very creative way, but it would be much better for your conversion rate to say, yes, we do ship internationally. Simple, easy, and people don't have to imagine what you meant. I don't mean that it is wrong, but when you are selling online, people who shop from you are in very switched off mode. So when you ask them to think as what you meant, you definitely lose. You definitely add confusion. Confusion equals lower conversion. Professional email address, definitely add professional email address instead of Gmail. It adds authority, it adds trust, and it adds your credibility as a business, because you've got URL Native American. So much better way would be info@nativeamericansoul.com or sales@nativeamerican. So getting professional email address is super easy. It is being carried by G Suite, which is Google Suite. So it means you still will be using Gmail, which is a powerful platform, but your email address will be displayed as a professional one. Obviously, you'll have to connect. You'll have to confirm the rights of this domain name that you're the rightful owner in order to do that, but it's very straightforward. On my YouTube channel, which you can find on my website, this is something funny here. There is a video. Just search how to add or how to set up G Suite. For some reason, there is a code showing in this very corner. I didn't see it because there was this cookie consent covering it, but for some reason there is displaying this code. So definitely look into that. There is something code that is probably not wrapped up. The add to cart or cart code that is not wrapped up within the header section. That's why it's showing. So it's definitely part of the theme.liquid in your Shopify theme. So look into that. Okay, refund policy. Okay, that's great. You've got some funny gaps here. So obviously there are not necessary. It would be great to add your contact details, obviously, and if you do not receive your order within 60 days, you reserve the right to send the product a second time before issuing a refund. Okay. Definitely add more details as to what do you mean. Do you mean that you will send item automatically after 60 days? Do you email customer to check if they received it within 60 days? It just isn't clear. Make sure to add details such as, if you haven't received it within 60 days, contact us on this and this email address, and we will send you a replacement. If you don't receive the replacement, we will issue a refund, because otherwise people don't know if they should actually ask for a replacement or the refund. So yeah, definitely be straightforward as to how the process works. As I mentioned, I also checked your SEO, broken links, and mobile responsiveness. SEO 53 out of 100. It is perfectly acceptable. Native American Soul, I mean, ideally you would want to add a little bit more detail, because it's the listing that is being displayed in Google search results. So Native American Soul, such as you can add Native American Soul clothing, shop Native American Soul apparel, so people know what to expect. You can stretch up to 160 characters, so definitely make a good use of them. Your head tags, ideally you would want, okay, yeah, H1 tag. You want H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and then H6, so all in order. American Native, I don't need to know that now. Okay. The other report gives me a little bit more details, so your website is within good size. Yeah, so meta title should be a little bit longer, as I mentioned. Meta description, yeah, this is how your Google listing looks. It's a little bit, stingy. You would want to add a little bit more detail just to create this kind of curiosity as people see your listing and make them want to click your listing. Okay. So we've got alt tags, which are great. The image sizes are within the norm, so this is fantastic. You either compress them, or you are already not using, or you are using very good program to create or edit the images, which is fantastic. Any image below 70 KB is a good size image. Title attributes, so these are the images that have titles on your computer or on your Google Drive before uploading them. It's a good practice just to add SEO friendly titles as well. Okay, the rest there, I don't see any major problems with your SEO. Obviously, the more content you will add to your website, the higher your SEO will be. It will improve over time. There is no major broken links on your website. This page always shows the same data. If there are no broken links, there is nothing wrong with it. And your website is mobile friendly, so this is how it displays on the mobile. So this was your critique. I hope you found it useful. There were definitely a few ideas on how to improve your conversion rate. So I hope you found it very helpful. If you would like to improve your website professionally, please give me a shout. I do offer website redesign services, and the package that includes SEO improvement and website redesign is $2,000 and takes on average 10 business days. So if you would like to go ahead, please reply to the email and I will take it from there. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.